was in bed watching my TikToks and I just hear somebody banging on my door and like trying to like move the door handle to try to get in my apartment. Oh, it is so cute. And I also wanted to give an update on my hair. I feel like I wasted an hour of my life this morning because what is this? I got a pair of the Tory Burch Cloud sandals and this is the after. They came out pretty cute. Hello and welcome back to another vlog. Today is actually Saturday when I'm filming this. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this a little bit of like a weekend vlog, so I'm gonna film today and tomorrow. Maybe just today. I don't know. We're gonna just play it by ear and see how much footage I get. I always base it off how much footage I get. Do I have enough for a daily vlog or do I have enough for a weekly vlog? So that's what we're gonna do. But I have my coffee this morning and I actually went to Target like 3 days ago. I didn't vlog it though because I just needed like some me time without like filming, if you know what I mean. And I found this gorgeous strawberry mug. Oh, it is so cute. It was $5. I will have it linked in the description because it is seriously the cutest cup ever. But today I woke up so sore. If you haven't watched my previous video, I did a whole apartment reset and I literally cleaned the entire day, like the whole day. I like deep cleaned the oven, I mopped, I swept, but I just did like the entire, like the floorboards, like everything I cleaned. And I woke up very sore today. That's okay because I'm glad I got it cleaned. It needed to be done. But I did shower last night and I was so tired that I went to bed with my hair kind of wet. So this is how we're looking. And honestly, like, I don't know if it ever happens to you, but like if you sleep with your hair kind of wet, it's still kind of like damp in the back. That grosses me out. And I feel like it's not a lot, but it's just like a little bit, like it didn't fully dry. Can I help you? Okay, I don't know if anyone else's dog opens the door. Baba, you're not gonna want to be in here. Come on, go to your bed. He always has to be by me, I swear. But as I was trying to say is, what was I trying to say? What? Okay, I forgot what I was trying to say because I got a little distracted, but I want to try to salvage my hair because I slept with it wet last night and this is how we're looking. So I have my Dyson. I'm actually doing this in the guest restroom because Matthew is sleeping and I do not want to wake him up and the Dyson can be like really loud. Thank you. You just love your mother, huh? I'm gonna try to salvage my hair, so I'm gonna try to do like a little blowout or something with my Dyson. I'm gonna just kind of dampen my hair again since it's kind of like already like damp. And I love this spray bottle. I got it from Amazon and I just love the way it like mists. And it's literally just like water in here, but it just is so nice. I'll also have this linked in my description box in my Amazon storefront. But I love this thing. It just, I don't know, I just love it. But I'm gonna fast forward this part. I'm gonna go over first and just kind of like smooth it out with this attachment and do some Dyson curls. Way too long. I'm just gonna finish my whole head and then come back when I'm done. So this is how the hair came out. I think it looks so pretty. I haven't done my hair with this barrel in what seems like forever, but I don't know if you noticed, but I did do a different technique. I saw a TikTok video and the girl was basically saying to just try doing your hair with the barrel upside down because it just makes them more looser and just like not so like tight and curled. And I love how it looks. I think it looks so pretty. However, I feel like there is a downside with doing this technique. I don't think it's gonna last very long because the pieces on the bottom, like look how loose they already look. But I know it's because I did it the opposite way, so I think it just made it a lot more looser. But I love the way it looks right now. Like if it stays like this all day, I'll be totally fine because it looks really pretty in my opinion. But typically with Dyson curls, they do not last. Like even my front piece, look how straight that pretty much looks. So I don't know if I'm gonna do this again. If it lasts, I will, but I mean, it's really pretty, so we'll see. I don't really have much plans for the day. I honestly just like want to rest and relax. Maybe like binge watch a TV show or watch a movie because it's really hot. Let me just check the temperature today. As of right now, it is 94 degrees. And we have an excessive heat warning until 8 p.m. until tomorrow at 8 p.m. So that's crazy. Oh, it's also supposed to rain. There's like a 40% chance of rain up until 2 in the morning. So I guess it's gonna be a good day to stay inside. inputted my footage from yesterday and I have an hour and 40 minutes of footage. Yeah, but it's gonna be a long one. Alright, it is a little while later. It's currently 5 p.m. Okay, it's a lot later. I've literally been on the couch just editing my little heart away all day, but I wanted to come out to get something to eat because I'm so hungry. I'm thinking Chick-fil-A because that sounds so good right now, but I'm also here at Ulta because I wanted to pick up some nail glue. I've been getting dip on my nails for a while now. I used to always just do like acrylic or like an overlay, but I've been loving dip, but my nails are so grown out. Like, they're so bad. I don't think it's focusing, but they're so grown out, but these have lasted me like a good 3 weeks, like I'm not even lying. However, I called to book an appointment on Thursday to get my nails done and get the dip, this one removed in like a new set, and the girl I've been going to is not there anymore. I was so sad, but I kind of thought it was gonna happen because the last time she was talking about like getting her own space, but she lives like 45 minutes away and she ended up getting a space closer to where she lives, which I totally understand. She was making such a far drive for her to come to work anyways, but I just thought it would be like a good excuse to let my nails breathe because I haven't let them breathe literally since like January, which was literally 6 months ago. I've been getting my nails done consistently each time and I think that they need a little bit of a break, so we're gonna let them breathe. But I'm here at Ulta because I wanted to pick up some nail glue. My friend Gina recommended this brand called Static. It's supposed to be like really good and your nails are supposed to last a really long time with that glue on. I'm gonna pick that up. I also want to see if they have a couple other things that I might want or need, and then we're gonna get some food and go back home. It is a little while later. It's actually currently 10:18 p.m. When I got home, I ate my Chick-fil-A and I literally just sat on the couch and edited the entire time. I had almost 2 hours worth of footage to go through and edit, and it turned out to be a 14-minute video. It's so crazy how like you can record and film so much content for it to be such a really short video, but that's the beauty of being a content creator. I wanted to give you guys a little Ulta haul. I really wanted to do my nails tonight, but I just don't have enough time. That's one thing about doing things yourself. It's like I make an appointment and I go do it and it gets done. But if it's something that I have to personally do, I'm gonna put it off and put it off and put it off until I just go get it done. I have press-on nails here at home, but I saw these and I thought they were so cute. I got these really cute press-on nails from Glamnetic. I've heard really good things about this brand, but they're so cute. You have a lightning bolt, you have whatever that is, some little stars. I can't see, some polka dots, some fire flames, a heart, some designs, some checker print. They were just super cute. So, oh, that was a star. But they were just adorable and I just loved the fun design for summer. And then I had to get acetone to take these off. I also grabbed this First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It's basically an exfoliant for the bumps like on your arms. I never had like these bumps on my arms up until like last summer. And I tried so many things to get rid of them. And I saw Bianca Henderson's vlog. She was talking about this. But I am going to try this and see how this works, and I will definitely update you guys. And I also wanted to give an update on my hair. I feel like I wasted an hour of my life this morning because what is this? Do not do that upside down technique. Don't do it. It does not work and it does not last. But I'm going to go shower and wind down for the evening. I will continue this vlog tomorrow. Hello, today is Sunday. I figured we can start the vlog off doing my makeup and get ready for the day, well, part of our day. This morning, Matthew and I went to get coffee from Press Coffee, one of the best places here. I always get a honey vanilla latte and it is so good with oat milk. Matthew gets a cortado, both always delicious. And then we went to Nordstrom Rack to do a little bit of shopping. I mainly went in because I wanted to see if they had any of the Marc Jacobs tote bags because I've been wanting a bigger bag just to like carry all my essentials in. But I went to the shoe section and I found these. I I got a pair of the Tory Burch Cloud sandals. They are so cute. They were on sale for $149. Regular price is I think like $200 or so. So I got these at a really great deal. I almost got like really sad because I saw they had like a really pretty lavender in my size, and I was looking and I couldn't see this color in an 8.5, and then I went to the 8 and I saw the color, and I was telling Matthew, I was like, they don't have my size, and he's like, well, I think the 8 fits you. I'm like, no, I know myself and I need the 8.5. We went back to go look, and he literally turned around and he saw them right there. They're so cute, and I think they're gonna be perfect for summer. I really wanted like the OG Tory Burch sandals that everybody like hates on. I've never had them and I've always wanted them, but these are so much more comfortable, so I'm so happy to have these. So I got these. They didn't have any like Marc Jacobs purses. Well, they had Marc Jacobs purses, but they didn't have any of the tote bags. I wanted to shop around a little bit more, but we did leave a little bit early just because we are gonna go meet our neighbors for dinner today. It's the ones that we were supposed to meet last week, but he ended up getting like called into work or whatever the situation was. We are gonna go today, so I'm gonna get ready. I literally have 45 minutes to get ready, but I wanted to tell you guys what happened last night. It was literally like the scariest thing ever. Nothing like that has ever happened to me, and I like did not know what to do. It was literally 1 o'clock on the dot, and I was in bed watching my TikToks, and I just hear somebody banging on my door and like trying to like move the door handle to try to get in my apartment. It was just me and the dogs, and thankfully Ranger reacted and he started barking and growling and like kind of like huffing and puffing. It all happened so quick, but I think had Ranger not reacted the way he did, I don't know what would have happened, because they left shortly after that. And I was calling Matthew, and then I called the police and I made a report. I'm not sure if somebody was really trying to like break in the apartment, or if somebody was like drunk and going to the wrong place, or if it was kids at the pool just trying to like mess with people. I don't really know what the situation was, but all I know is it scared the crap out of me. I've never been that scared in my life, because I've just never had that happen where somebody's like trying to break into your home. Matthew ended up leaving work early because I was just like too scared, and we called the police and they said that there was something suspicious. And the other thing too is like when I called the police, the dispatch operator was so rude. I called and I was like, I just want to make a report, like I think I need the police, but I don't know. And he's like, well, what happened? And I was like, well, somebody was like banging on my front door and they were trying to like, they were messing with the door handle to try to get in. And he's like, okay, like he literally was like, okay. And I may have been overreacting, but you just never know, especially like 1 in the morning. You don't know if it was like, well, you just don't know what people's intentions are. So it was just like a really scary thing, and I don't know, it's just better to be safe than sorry. Well, they came, they didn't even call me or anything, and I basically had to call the police back to see what happened. And basically they came and they just reported no like suspicious activity or anything. So I guess they just came, looked around, and then left. But thankfully I called my neighbors that live upstairs, the ones that we're gonna go meet with today, and she was home, so I felt a little bit safer that they were here. And then her husband had came home shortly after, so I felt better that they were here. But Matthew ended up leaving work and coming home, and I was just so uneasy the whole night. Like we were both just stressed and scared, because you just, like I said, you just don't know people's intentions. But I'm just so thankful that I had Ranger at least, because I know he will protect me if anything were to happen. I think this week we're gonna go get a Ring camera. We used to have one at our old condo, but we ended up leaving it there when we sold it. I think we're gonna go get one of those just to, you know, like I said, be safe, because you just never know. You never know. It could have just been a random person or a kid, but you just don't know people's intentions. And I've seen so many TikToks of like all of these like sex traffickers and the things that they'll do, and I mean, I don't know. I didn't get up to see who it was. I did wait about 10 minutes before I opened the blinds to check, and I couldn't see anybody out. But that was the story of last night. But I'm just doing my makeup really quickly because, like I said, we're gonna go have like an early dinner lunch at El Mirasol. I probably won't vlog, just because we're like still trying to get to know our neighbors, and I don't even think she knows that I do YouTube, so I don't want to like whip out my camera. But what I'm doing now is like my simple everyday kind of makeup look. I used to go really hard with my makeup to the point where like it just did not look natural at all. But I've just been really loving cream products and just doing like a more minimal face. My eyebrows are microbladed, but I haven't had them done or retouched up. I'm like past due to get that done, so I think I might get them redone, because I do really love having my eyebrows microbladed. They're so easy. But I do like going in with this Benefit product. I feel like it just really helps to fill them in. They're already shaped, which is great, but I need to get them touched up, so I do have to like fill it in myself, but it's super easy. My skin is so weird because my whole entire life I used to have nothing but super oily skin, and the older I've gotten, my skin is definitely still oily, but it's also really dry, which is so weird. So I feel like I can't even find the right products to use, and it's also kind of annoying doing my makeup, or at least trying to find the right shade of product, because if you didn't know, I do have a skin condition called vitiligo. Long story short, vitiligo is just a condition where you lose the pigment of your skin tone. You can really tell on my neck, and one of the other things that like I just want to like it to go away already is I have a direct line right here where my ears are. So you probably can't tell right now, but I have the color where my pigment is lost and then my normal natural color. And people are always like, you need to blend your foundation. And I'm like, it's literally my skin tone. You probably can't tell, but it's there, I promise. But I did get vitiligo when I was 25 or 26. I didn't have it my whole life. It is something that was so new and really hard for me to navigate. I'm sure if you go down and look at my really old videos, I think I have like a video of me talking about it. Oh man, little 25-year-old Darlene, it just looking back, like in the moment it was so obviously hard, and those are my raw emotions. But man, my old videos are so cringy. I have privated so many of them, but I was like, you know what, I think it's good to keep these up because it just shows my progress and my growth. But I'm like, these are kind of cringy. But I think what I was trying to say is that I just really love cream products. I used to always have really oily skin, and then within the last like year or so, my skin has just like transformed to be more dry and oily, and it's just like the weirdest thing. I've just come to realize that I'm getting older and my skin is changing. And if you want to know the products I'm using now, I will definitely link these all in my description box, because I know I'm not even talking about them, I'm just talking to you. But I'm gonna finish my lashes off camera because I have to concentrate for that, but I will be right back. We are about to head out. Matthew was listening to his TikTok, so sorry about that, but this is the look for today. I have on this really cute dress from Old Navy, my new Toy Birch slides, my Louis Vuitton Speedy bandolier. That's the look. Let's go eat. We are back home. Lunch, or I guess early dinner with our neighbors, went really well and we had a lot of fun, but it was so hot in the restaurant. Like, I don't know what was going on with the AC or whatever, because it was Father's Day and it was so busy, so hot in there. So we're gonna go dip in the pool. We had a really good time. It's funny because I feel like Matthew and my neighbor's husband, his name is Lawrence, they're like the same person, kind of. Like, they like talk the same, they act the same, their demeanor's the same. So it was like really funny to see them together. We had a really good time, and I think we're gonna go jump in the pool because it is really hot today. We are back from the pool. I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails. I'm also watching Drew's new YouTube video. Here is the before of my nails. I took off my dip and filed them down a little bit, and this is the after. They came out pretty cute. I did struggle trying to fit these on my nails. I don't know if my nail beds are a really weird size, but I had a little bit of a struggle. Like, I think this one is a little bit too big, but they're still really cute, and they were like 15 bucks for this set. I will definitely update y'all and see how long it lasts, but so far they are really, really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It's currently 9:46. I have to blow dry my hair. I haven't even done anything to it, and then get ready for bed. Tomorrow's gonna be a really fun day because I'm actually gonna go to Austin with my friends Gabby and Gina. We're actually gonna go for an event tomorrow night. We're gonna make like a day of it and go early, do some shopping at the outlets, and maybe grab some lunch. And I will see you guys either tomorrow. If it's not tomorrow, I will see you guys in my next vlog.